My friends are like the most important part of my life, I think. Sometimes, because people talk so much about how like family is like your blood and everything, but I feel like, obviously family is still important to me, but I think my friends are the people who have supported me and like got me through a lot of, and I think it's only thanks to my friends that I'm like, okay, do you know what I mean? So I think it's really good to have people around you that like know you and like look after you, and I'd say that's what community is. I think it's something that I realised after when I left high school. Your bestest friends are the people that are most important to you that are actually going to put in time, because the other people just like fade away. Because like in high school you see everyone every day, but when you're at university and when you have a lot of things going on, it's actually takes quite a lot of effort to fit people into your schedule, and I think that's what means a lot to you when somebody that you love is like, hey, I want to see you, let's catch up, and then you both have to like consult calendars, and then every single day doesn't line up, but then eventually you like figure it out and then you can hang out. Yeah, it takes quite a lot of energy, but if somebody's worth it to you, then you do like put in that time. One of my favorite things to do is cook a meal for people. So I love making like a really nice meal. My grandma and my mum really instilled like making really like beautiful food. So I make like Greek salads and focaccia. We just had pizza, making dumplings. So I feel like that's a really great way to bring people together. I love making other people like feel good. Like I love giving people things. I love feeding people with the kai that I make them. I love spending time with people and making like my favorite people happy. So I think, yeah, I try to give back.